Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how I made something nice from my weirdly growing Crassula ovata by repotting it and adding a self-made trellis. The Crassula ovata is not a climbing plant, so it doesn't need the trellis for that, but I think it looks way nicer because they were growing quite long, so I just attached them to the trellis itself. If you're already excited to see this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video on this Crassula ovata. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!